Today, I am reviewing Apple iPad 9th generation. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple iPad 9th generation continues to prove why it remains one of the most reliable, versatile, and value-packed tablets on the market today. With its powerful A13 Bionic chip, vibrant 10.2-inch Retina display, and seamless integration with iPadOS, this iPad perfectly balances performance, design, and affordability, making it ideal for students, professionals, creatives, and everyday users alike. Right out of the box, the iPad feels premium, sleek, slim, and solidly built, with that signature Apple aluminum body that feels both durable and elegant. The 10.2-inch Retina display offers beautiful color accuracy and sharp details, with a resolution of 2160 by 1620 pixels. Whether you're streaming a movie, sketching a design, editing photos, or simply scrolling through the web, the clarity and brightness of this screen never disappoint. Apple's True Tone technology adjusts the color temperature based on your surroundings, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience, whether you're in bright sunlight or a dimly lit room. Under the hood, the A13 Bionic chip keeps everything running fast and smooth. This is the same processor used in the iPhone 11 series, a chip that still delivers impressive speed and responsiveness even by today's standards. Everyday tasks like browsing, note-taking, or messaging feel effortless. Even more demanding activities like light gaming, video editing, and multitasking are handled with ease. The iPad remains responsive, switching between apps without lag, and animations feel fluid throughout. One of the biggest strengths of this iPad is its software, iPadOS. Apple has fine-tuned the system to take full advantage of the iPad's capabilities. You can run multiple apps side by side, use the Apple Pencil to take notes or annotate documents, and even use Scribble to handwrite into text fields, a feature that makes writing feel natural and efficient. The App Store also offers a vast ecosystem of apps optimized for iPad, from creative tools like Procreate and LumaFusion to productivity apps like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and Notion. Connectivity is another area where Apple shines. The iPad supports fast Wi-Fi, allowing for stable and speedy internet connections whether you're at home, in school, or working remotely. It's designed for versatility, so it fits perfectly into both entertainment and productivity setups. You can stream, attend video conferences, or collaborate online without worrying about drops in performance. Speaking of video conferencing, the iPad 9th generation includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera that supports center stage, Apple's smart framing technology that automatically keeps you centered in the shot even if you move around. It's perfect for Zoom meetings, FaceTime calls, or virtual classes. The 8-megapixel rear camera, while not the most advanced by smartphone standards, still delivers crisp photos and 1080p HD videos. Security and convenience are also key aspects. With Touch ID built right into the home button, unlocking your iPad or making payments with Apple Pay is fast and secure. It's simple, reliable, and doesn't require face scanning or extra steps, just your fingerprint. The 256GB storage option gives users plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and documents, which makes this model a smart choice for those who plan to use the iPad as a primary device. Combined with Apple's strong ecosystem, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, AirDrop, and Apple Music, it integrates seamlessly with other Apple devices. Overall, the Apple iPad 9th generation remains one of the most well-balanced tablets available today. It's not just for students or casual users. It's powerful enough for professionals, creative enough for artists, and simple enough for everyday use. It delivers premium performance, exceptional display quality, and unmatched reliability, all at a price that still feels accessible. If you're looking for a tablet that offers long-term value, excellent performance, and Apple's signature ease of use, the iPad 9th generation is a fantastic choice.